Realme is all set to launch the Realme GT Neo 5 tomorrow, February 9th. And we know a lot about this device thanks to a lot of recent leaks and rumors. Today's teaser reveals the maximum amount of memory that will be available on the phone. Realme has officially revealed that the Realme GT Neo 5 will come with up to 16 GB of RAM and a huge storage space of 1 TB. Normally, 1 TB storage space is reserved for premium smartphones, but the mid-range GT Neo 5 will support this capacity. According to teasers and previous leaks, the phone will come in two variants. The cheaper model will arrive with a 5000 mAh battery and 150 watts charging support, while the more expensive version will feature a smaller 4600 mAh battery, but will offer support for a much faster 240 watts charging standard. The device will have a 6.74-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2772 x 1240 pixels, 144 Hz refresh rate, and 2160 Hz PWM dimming. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset paired with optics RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The phone will have a triple camera system on the back and a 16MP front camera. The rear camera setup will include a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2MP macro camera. Other features of the phone will include Realme UI 4.0 based on Android 13, RGB lighting, NFC, and an IR blaster. What do you think in general about Realme phones? Leave a comment.
Thank you for watching our video. We will keep uploading new videos, so your subscribe and likes will encourage us to create new videos.